Hi, if you cannot see emoji icon on keyboard on iPhone 16e, then let me show you how to fix it. For that, go in your iPhone settings. Now pick this general section and after that start scrolling down till you can see keyboard section. So make sure that you got only one keyboard and click to add new one. So right now in this list, search for emoji. You can manually enter it and click to add. Now save changes by going back and let's test it. Yep, now we got emoji icon on the bottom of the keyboard. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.